How to change Duolingo app language to English. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo. I'm showing this in English so it will be easier. Click on the flag-like option at the top left. Then click on course in here, which is with the plus button. In here, you will need to simply click on the language, which is in English, and press on continue at the bottom. It will load for some times and your language will be changed into English in this way. You can also use the same course with English text. And this is how to change Duolingo app language to English. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.